Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications from Eufy on your iPhone. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer want to receive notifications from Eufy on your iPhone. How do you actually go ahead and turn it off? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up the settings option. Next, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says notifications. Next, you want to scroll all the way down to where you find the Eufy app. So here's the Eufy app. Click on that. Now, next to allow notifications, you're going to see this toggle on and off button. If you toggle this off, that is going to turn off your notifications from Eufy. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off notifications from Eufy on your iPhone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the